Right now it's hailing in Wisconsin Rapids. Look at this weather, oh my god. There's hail coming down everywhere. It's hailing everywhere. What? Hailing everywhere. Oh, look at the hail. Oh, shit!
Your goose turd, that's all it says.
Oh, yeah. It's not,
I wonder if that's
there's no
for your
warning.
tomato plant.
It's a freaking tomato plant.
Oh my god, it's really windy.
Oh my gosh, we're gonna I can't believe how windy it is. Look at the hail. Well, you probably can't see it, but it's pretty haily. Oh. That's all hail. That's not rain. That's hail. Well, the purple's right over us.
Put the Weather Channel on. Put On Demand on.
Dad, I'm trying to. Gosh.
I told you to bring the plants in. Turn it up a little bit so we can hear it.
Dad, I can see it. It's over.
It's purple. That means tornado.
No, it you know nothing about weather. All it means is that heavy rain. And it can be hail, which it was. Hey, maybe my car's totaled.
It doesn't matter. We don't have full.
Nick into the ground about melting. It could be as big as tennis ball size. That would be about 2 inches or so in size. Fortunately, haven't seen that, but certainly could be seeing 1 inch under hail or bigger with this shell, I think.
I'm gonna go get our plates here.
We gotta go check this beast out. Look at the hail. Hail, hail. Don't go out in the rain. There's the hail. It's beast. There's another issue of Storm Chaser.